Hey my Tiffany J Inspired friends, welcome back to my channel. I am super excited for today's video. As always, today's video I am doing Christmas in May. Yes, you heard it, Christmas in May. What is Christmas in May? Christmas in May, I feel like I said that like 50 times. It's when I purchase Christmas items in May for the best deals. I know Christmas is a few months away, let's just say, but it's going to be coming up quicker than we think, and I don't want to be scrambling around at the last minute trying to find super cute Christmas outfits for my baby girl and my son. So I figured I'll go on our favorite online site, Amazon, and find some really great deals. So I am super excited to show you these under $10 cute baby girl outfits that I found, and I will be linking everything that I purchased below, so make sure you go and grab it while the deals are still low, because around September everything is going to be doubled or tripled in price. So guys, before we get into today's video, make sure you go to my Instagram page and follow. For the last week, I've been flooding my Insta stories with some amazing Amazon deals. All of the deals I've been showing are $10 and under, and my followers have been going crazy over them, and I'm super excited to show some of those items that I've purchased on this channel. But in order to see everything that I've been flooding throughout my Instagram stories, you have to go to my Instagram page, that's at TiffanyJ_inspired, just to see all of the deals. Also, before I get into today's video, I would love for you all to subscribe, like, and share this channel. I've been working really hard to give you some more different DIYs, decor reveals, and deals, fashion hauls, all of that. So I'm really excited about all of that that's coming up. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. So guys, like I said, this is a Christmas in May Amazon haul. This is my baby girl edition. My daughter is 2 years old, and I go crazy over Christmas outfits for my children. If you saw pictures from previous years, you know I'm always buying a lot of Christmas stuff for my kids. That's my most favorite time of the year, and I just love dressing them up for the holidays. So this is some items that I picked up for my baby girl on Amazon, and all of these items are under $10 right now on Amazon. Honestly, they were under $7. They were all $6.99. So I'm super excited to show you guys. So the first item I want to show you, it's super cute, but I'm super sad because it's a little too small for my daughter. She is not probably going to be able to wear it by the time Christmas comes, but I guess I'll have to gift it to one of my girlfriends with a little girl, and order her a different size or a different item. Okay guys, so this is the first item. I unbuttoned it because my daughter just tried it on. It is this Plaid Romper. It is so cute. I live for the ruffles and the frill. It is so pretty. And there's like the little bottoms. Like, she can fit this now. It's just when September comes, it may be a little snug. So like I said, I'm probably going to gift it to one of my girlfriends with a little girl. The only thing I would say about this romper, and like I said, I'm going to link everything that I purchased below, is that this in the front, it's supposed to be like, I think it's supposed to be a bow. I have to put that picture up again, but the way it is, I'm not sure if it doesn't really look right tied unless I've been tying it wrong. You see how it has that little space in the front? I would have preferred for this one if they took this all the way around, like the white was all the way around. It wasn't like this little opening here, like that part there. I wish it was like more of a belt that goes fully across, and I could have tied it in the back. The back are buttons. There's buttons in the back, but it's really cute. And then there's snaps at the bottom. But yeah, I love traditional plaid for Christmas. I love the traditional plaid look. This will look super cute with some tights. The little, like, if her hair was like in two little pigtails with little piggy bows, tights or knee-high socks, and like little cute Mary Jane shoes. Like, I had the whole vision in my head of how I wanted to do this. But I saw some other items that were similar to this. I'm gonna order in a bigger size for a baby girl. So yeah, and the quality, it is a little thin, so definitely put an undershirt under this. You can almost see through it a little bit. It's not much, but I mean, it was $6.99. Most of my Christmas outfits are for like pictures and things like that. So yeah, I was really excited about this piece, and I don't know, maybe I'll squeeze her in it. But yeah, let's go into my next item. Okay guys, I am super excited for this next item that I'm about to show you for baby girl. Like, how cute are these? How cute are these little bell bottom? Oh my gosh, there's like the leopard or cheetah print and the plaid, the buffalo check plaid. This is like my favorite. If you follow my Instagram page, you know Christmas time I love cheetah and buffalo check, and these were like the perfect pant combination, and I was like, oh my god, I have to get them. And they were only $6.99. They were either $6.99 or $6.49, but yeah, they were under $7, and they are so cute. It's, let me see, 95% cotton and 5% spandex. Super cute. Look at these. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so cute. My daughter is already dramatic, so these pants are gonna look really cute on her, and they fit her very well. The only thing I would say about the pants, it's nothing like really negative. It's just like this part on the bell bottom, it's not like a huge wide bell bottom. It's a little, I don't know, let me just insert a video so you could definitely see. It's not like really wide bell bottom, but it's wide enough for my 2-year-old. I mean, we don't need all the dramatic in her pants, but I just thought these were really cute, and they were only like $6.99. So moms, definitely get these pants, because I feel as though these are going to sell out really fast. They are on other sites for double the price right now. So for $6.99 you can get a couple pairs for the price of one. And like, especially if you have an older daughter and then a younger daughter, they can match. So this is really cute. I might pick up another pair for her little cousin. So her and her cousin are like only 6 months apart. So I thought these would be cute. Maybe they can do like a little picture together. So yeah, let's get into the next item. Guys, I am super excited about this. Christmas time is like literally like 7 months away, but it just makes me happy to find such deals, and then like find such great deals for my favorite time of the year. So I feel like I hit the jackpot. So if you know me, you know I'm all about frilly and tutus. Like frilly tutus. Like, I love all the drama around holiday time, and I was super excited when I saw this next dress, and it was only $6.99, and it was super cute, and I feel as though I could definitely picture my daughter wearing it with some really cute knee-high socks or stockings, and like really cute bows. It's this super cute reindeer tutu skirt dress. How adorable is this? And this was also $6.99. so stinking cute. So cute. So yeah, I'm really excited about this as well. Yeah, I'm going to insert a video of my daughter trying this on as well. She's gonna look super cute. I cannot wait. I know for some people they're like, oh my gosh, like she is really buying Christmas stuff right now, but guys, $6.99 for this dress. Even if you go to your favorite department stores that have great deals, this is probably going to run you at least $14.99 or $15.99. In the higher end boutiques, the same, because a lot of them sell Amazon items, it's going to be like $26.99. So for $6.99 you can get multiples for the price of one. So it's going to be linked in my descriptions so that you mamas can save, or daddies, or whoever else is watching this video can save some money on your Christmas outfits. So if you want to see more Amazon deal videos like this, please put that in the comments below, because I have so many Amazon different categories I want to show you. And because we are all home right now, even though in some states outside is open, not all the states are open, so, and a lot of people even in those open states are still being, you know, cautious and not really going out. So Amazon has been like the main ordering source right now for so many people online. And I just wanted to show you guys how you can save money and still shop online, because for me, you guys know I love a good thrift store, and my thrift stores have been closed, which, you know, I'm not, you know, upset about, because I know it's for, you know, the right purpose. That's why they're closed. But your sister loves a great deal, and I'm not trying to break my pockets because I have to shop online. So I've been really working hard to find you amazing deals. And let's get into the last items that I absolutely love. I love this item. Okay guys, this outfit is the cutest. It definitely reminds you of the last pants, bell-bottom pants that I showed you. But look at this shirt. How cute. How stinking cute is this shirt? It's like the little cow with the buffalo check hat with the little cheetah print. How cute is this? And it comes with, like, this is a whole set, and the set was $6.99. And it comes with more pants with like the little cheetah. Now these pants are too big for Nala. They were just way too big. They're too long right now, but this definitely matches, and I'm going to show you. It definitely, close up. It definitely matches the other pants, so she can definitely wear this as an outfit this year. So I cannot wait. And I feel like I feel like I'll probably do like a picture at like Chick-fil-A with this because of the cow. Like, how cute would that be? How cute. So yeah, for $6.99 for the entire outfit, and she'll probably be able to wear these pants next year. So I'm definitely holding on to these. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you haven't already, please like, share, and subscribe. But like I said, with that first item, I'm probably going to give that one away, and I'll probably order something else. So if you want to see what I ordered next for my baby girl to replace that first outfit, please go to my Instagram page at TiffanyJ_inspired. Everything will be listed in the descriptions below. So until next time, please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.